Right. Zero group elements already discussed this one. Zero group elements or 18th group elements or noble gases or net gases are placed at the left side of the periodic table, and last group of the periodic table are discussed. Only krypton and xenon, only these two elements are react with another elements with high electronegative atoms like oxygen and fluorine. So xenon reacts with highly electronegative atoms like oxygen and fluorine. Only oxygen and fluorine to మాత్రమే react అవుతున్నాయి. Because of oxygen and fluorine, these two elements having most electronegative property compared with other elements. So xenon reacts with oxygen and fluorine. It gives three types of compounds. There, number one, xenon fluorides. Number two, xenon oxides. Number three, xenon oxyfluorides. Xenon fluorides only fluorine to మాత్రమే రియాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు xenon fluorides, only oxygen to react అయినప్పుడు xenon oxide, only reaction with oxygen and fluorine to react అయినప్పుడు xenon oxyfluorides. First of all, xenon oxides గురించి explain చేద్దాం. So the topic is xenon oxides. Xenon oxides. Xenon oxides means xenon on reaction with only oxygen atom, it gives xenon oxides. The xenon oxides again three types. Number one, so only two types, sorry. Xenon trioxide. What is that? Xenon trioxide. Number two, xenon tetroxide. Xenon trioxide and xenon tetroxide. The formula of the xenon trioxide, what is that? HCO3. In case of xenon tetroxide, HCO4. Xenon trioxide formula HCO3 and xenon tetroxide formula HCO4. One by one explain చేసుకుందాం. What is that? Xenon trioxide. So the compound name is HCO3. HCO3, that means xenon trioxide. Xenon trioxide. First of all, preparation of xenon trioxide. ఏ విధంగా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? xenon trioxide ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటే ఏ విధంగా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? చెక్ చేద్దాం. Preparation number one. So the method is HCF4. That means xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride undergoes hydrolysis to form HCO3. What is that? Xenon tetrafluoride undergoes hydrolysis. It gives xenon trioxide. ఎట్లా చూద్దాం? xenon tetrafluoride formula HCF4 undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water molecule. It gives XeO3. Balance level. So 2 moles of xenon tetrafluoride on reaction with 3 moles of water molecule, it gives XeO3 plus 6 moles of HF and 1 mole of Xe plus 1 mole of F2 molecule. F2 molecule means fluorine. So the first method, preparation of xenon trioxide, ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం చూడండి. Xenon tetrafluoride undergoes hydrolysis, it gives xenon trioxide. That means XeF4 undergoes hydrolysis means addition of water molecule, it gives finally it gives xenon trioxide. The second method goes to, it is also hydrolysis reaction, but in case of XeF6, that means xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water molecule. Finally it gives XeO3. XeO3 means xenon trioxide. Xenon trioxide. But in case of oxygen, number of oxygens only one oxygen. So 3 moles of H2. XeF6 on reaction with 3 moles of H2O but undergoes hydrolysis, it gives XeO3 plus 6 moles of hydrogen fluoride. These two methods are preparation of xenon trioxide. The xenon trioxide preparation. Next, structure of the xenon trioxide. Next, structure. What is the structure? Xenon trioxide structure. Explain it. First of all, the center atom XeO3 in the molecule is XeO3. The center atom is the xenon. Xenon electronic configuration is 5s2 5p6 5d0. 5s2 5p6 5d0. After krypton, krypton also one of the noble gas element. So 5s2 5p6 5d0. 5s2 means number of electrons are 2. 5p6 means number of electrons are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 then 6. 5d0 is an empty orbital. So this one is ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. So ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. xenon structure ని చెక్ చేద్దాం. xenon trioxide structure ని చెక్ చేద్దాం. XeO3, that means xenon on reaction with 3 oxygens. 1 mole of oxygen, second mole of oxygen, third mole of oxygen, one of the lone pair of electron. Check the number of bonds: 2 bonds, 4 bonds, then 6 bonds. Out of 6 bonds, sigma pi, sigma pi, sigma pi. Out of 6 bonds, 3 sigmas and 3 are the pi bonds. So totally 6 bonds under. 6 bonds means, I mean xenon 3 oxygens to react avvali ante 3 oxygens to react avvali ante 6 bond pair of electrons kavali. 6 bond pair of electrons means 6 unpair of electrons kavali. But in case of ikkada no more unpair of electrons, nothing but no more bond pair of electrons, all are pair up. So in case of this electron goes to this electron, this empty orbital. In the same way, this electron goes to this empty orbital. This electron goes to this empty orbital. This is the excited state of the xenon electronic configuration. This is the first excited state. This one is second excited state. This one is third excited state. It is third excited state of the xenon. At the third excited state of the xenon forms number of unpair of electrons. This one goes to here. First one, this one goes to here. Second one, here also same. One. So totally 6 unpair of electrons because of xenon forms 6 bond pair of electrons. I mean 6 bonds. So 6 bonds form cheyali ante 6 unpair of electrons kavali. So this one is third excited state of the xenon. Now intermixing of 1s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 3 d orbitals అని అనుకుంటాము. కానీ ఇక్కడ d orbital hybridization లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుంది బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ 3 సిగ్మా బాండ్స్, రిమైనింగ్ 3 ఆర్ పై బాండ్స్. పై బాండ్స్ ఎప్పుడు హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయవు, ఓన్లీ సిగ్మా బాండ్స్ మాత్రమే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఆ సిగ్మా బాండ్స్ ఏమి చూడండి, ఇది సిగ్మా బాండ్స్. ఎవరితో సిగ్మా బాండ్ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి, ఆక్సిజన్ అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్. These 3 are sigma and remaining 3 are pi bonds. So intermixing of 1s orbital and 3 p orbitals now are intermixed to give one is lone pair of electron, remaining 3 are bond pair of electron. Oxygen and oxygen, sigma. So these 3 sigma bonds here, remaining 3 pi bonds. This is the structure of xenon trioxide. So the hybridization of xenon trioxide is sp3 only, not sp3d3. Only 1s orbital and 3 p orbitals are involved. So hybridization is sp3. Number of sigma bonds 3. Number of pi bonds are 3. And shape of the molecule, pyramidal shape. Shape of the molecule, pyramidal shape. This is the structure of HCO3. Once again, repeat. The molecule is xenon trioxide. The structure of xenon trioxide, let's explain. Xenon atomic number is 54. Atomic number is 54. After krypton 5s2 5p6 then 5d0. 5s2 5p6 5d0. So xenon 6 bonds form చేస్తుంది, means 6 unpair of electrons కావాలి. 6 bonds form చేయాలి అంటే 6 unpair of electrons కావాలి. బట్ xenon electronic configuration ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 6 unpair of electrons లేవు. unpair of electron means single electrons, but all electrons are paired. So go to excited state. Only first excited state లో only 2 electrons అవుతున్నాయి, 2 unpair of electrons. Second excited state లో 4 unpair of electrons. At the third excited state the unpair of electrons are 6. Now intermixing of 1s orbital and 3 p orbital to form one sp3 hybridization. Now xenon on reaction with 3 oxygen with 3 sigma bonds, remaining are pi bonds. Pi bonding electrons ఇప్పుడు కూడా hybridization లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయవు, బట్ బాండింగ్ లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది xenon trioxide స్ట్రక్చర్. సో ఫైనల్లీ xenon స్ట్రక్చర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు చెక్ చేద్దాం. The hybridization of the xenon trioxide sp3 and sigma bonds are 3, pi bonds are 3 and shape of the molecule pyramidal shape. చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Next, xenon tetroxide. The second molecule of xenon oxides. Xenon on reaction with oxygen, it gives two types of oxides. One is xenon trioxide and another one is xenon tetroxide. The xenon tetroxide formula is XeO4. So the molecule name is xenon tetroxide. Xenon tetroxide. First one, preparation of the tetroxide. Here two methods for preparation, but only one method we will explain. What is it? Barium peroxenate reacts with H2SO4. Barium peroxenate reacts with concentrated H2SO4 to form xenon trioxide. That means barium peroxenate on reaction with concentrated H2SO4, that means sulfuric acid, it gives xenon tetroxide. The reaction is Ba2XeO4 O6 plus 2 moles of H2SO4, it gives XeO3 plus Ba2SO4 plus 2 moles of H2 2BaS. So once again, barium peroxenate on reaction with concentrated H2SO4, it gives xenon tetroxide. That means the formula is XeO4. This is preparation. Next to structure of it. Structure check చేద్దాం. Xenon 4 oxygens తో బాండింగ్ ఉండాలి. సో ఎవ్రీ ఆక్సిజన్ 2 బాండ్స్ తోటి రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే xenon 8 బాండ్స్ తోటి రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుంది? xenon 4 ఆక్సిజన్ తో బాండింగ్ లో ఉండాలి అంటే 8 బాండ్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేయాలి. చూద్దాం. Xe 1 oxygen, number 2, number 3, number 4. So totally 4 oxygens with 8 bonds. So first one sigma pi and sigma pi. Totally 8 bonds form చేయాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ 8 అన్పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉండాలి. మరి ఎన్ని అన్పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం. సో xenon atomic number is 54. After krypton 5s2 5p6 and 5d0. 5s2 means number of electrons 2, 5p6 number of electrons 1 2 3 4 5 then 6, 5d0 number of electrons are no more electrons. This is the ground state electronic configuration of xenon. Check చేద్దాం. xenon 4 ఆక్సిజన్స్ తో బాండింగ్ లో ఉండాలి అని అంటే 8 బాండ్స్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి. 8 బాండ్స్ తో ఫామ్ చేయాలి అని అంటే ఇక్కడ అన్పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? 8 ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేద్దాం. సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? నో మోర్ సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. దట్ మీన్స్ no more unpair of electrons, all are paired electrons. So go to excited state. Check చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ స్టేట్ లో ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. సో 2 unpair of electrons. సెకండ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ స్టేట్ లో ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. సో 4 electrons అవుతాయి. Go to third excited state, 6 electrons unpair అవుతాయి. Go to fourth excited state. So first excited state, second excited state, third excited state and fourth excited state. Now number of unpair of electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 unpair of electrons, but only xenon forms sigma. Yes, any sigma bonds form చేస్తుంది only 4 sigma bonds మాత్రమే form. 4 sigma bonds form చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి చూడండి. Four sigma bonds form చేయాలి అంటే 4 sigma bonds form చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి only these 4 electrons are involved in hybridization. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 electrons. So now reaction with oxygen with the sigma bonds. Here oxygen with 4 pi bonds. This is the structure. Now hybridization is intermixing of 1s orbital 3p orbital. So hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Sigma bonds are 3. Sorry, sigma bonds are 4. Pi bonds also 4. And the shape of the molecule tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral and bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is the explanation of xenon tetroxide. Xenon tetroxide means the preparation of xenon tetroxide, barium peroxide on reaction with concentrated H2SO4, it gives xenon tetroxide. Next structure check చేసుకుంటూ చూద్దాం. Xenon atomic number is 54. After krypton it gives 5s2, 5p, 6 and 5d0. This is the ground state electronic configuration. At the excited state, excited state lo చూడండి, fourth excited state లో it will only 8 unpair of electrons form చేస్తుంది. ఈ 8 unpair of electrons bonding లో participate చేస్తున్నాయి, but only 4 electrons మాత్రమే hybridization లో participate చేస్తుంది. So finally xenon on reaction with 4 oxygens with 4 sigma bonds and 4 pi bonds. The hybridization is sp3. Sigma bonds are 4, pi bonds are 4, and bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. And the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral shape. Thank you.